kumusta ka, Jeya?
Okay lang.
Kuan, Jeya, kanang murag familiar ka, asa ta nagkita?
Yes, nagkita ta sa una sa CBA, sa una.
Yun.
Yeah.
Sa ato ang BG okay nato dito,
The
no?
first one, diri sa Siliman.
Okay. So, unsa na po'y kantahon ni Jeya diri sa BG okay?
This is Vienna by Billy Joel.
Vienna by?
Billy Joel.
Billy Joel. Wow.
Billy Joel.
Akong pangutan na, ready na ba si Jeya?
Ready.
Ang mga followers ni Jeya, ready na ba? Grabe, no? Inaanagid kakusga ng mga Silimanians, no? Kana, since ready na ang mga followers ni Jeya, ready na po siya, di na nato dugayon pa ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa BG okay. Palakpakan nato si Jeya!
Slow down, you crazy child. You're so ambitious for a juvenile. But then if you're so smart, and tell me why are you still so afraid? Hey, where's the fire? What's the hurry about? You better cool it off before you burn it out. You got so much to do and only so many hours in the day. Hey, you know that when the truth is told, that you can get what you want or you can just get old. You're gonna kick off before you even get halfway through. When will you realize Vienna waits for you? Slow down, you're doing fine. You can't be everything you wanna be before your time. Although it's so romantic on the borderline tonight. Too bad, but it's the life you lead. You're so ahead of yourself that you forgot what you need. Although you see when you're wrong, no, you can't always see me when you're right. You're right. You got your passion, you got your pride. Don't you know that only fools are satisfied? Dream on, but don't imagine it'll all come true. Oh, when will you realize Vienna waits for you? Oh, slow down, you crazy child. Take the phone off the hook and disappear for a while. It's alright, you can't afford to lose a day or two. Oh, everybody, when will you realize Vienna waits for you? You know that when the truth is told, that you can get what you want or you can just get old. You're gonna kick off before you even get halfway through. Oh, when will you realize Vienna waits for you? When will you realize Vienna waits for you? Thank you so much.
Wow! Grabe si Jeya, no? Ako na amaze ko El Lamino sa kilid kay first time ko makadungog anang kanta and the way ka mo perform, no? And mura ka storytelling gani and musta to siya kabahin nga kanta?
It's about not being too haste in your life. Di ka magdali-dali always ba? There's always time for you to do the stuff you want to do.
Wow, tsada alagi, no? Dani, kinsa atong kauban diha og pili atong makuha nga score gikan kaniya.
What is our name and from what college?
Hi, my name is Chikisid Bedro. I'm from 11 UMS B.
Ayun, senior high, diba? Young but very, very talented na. Alright, so Jiki, what is your score and why?
I gave him 10, her, 10, a 10 because he has a nice quality voice and he managed to control his voice in major scales.
Bidzers, kung kamo mohatag og grado, pila ka ha ug ngano? ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Bitzy Okay, just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor ang episode, email us at info@bitzy.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram ug Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.